welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. I am so excited, you guys. This is February the 1st and we are starting our PaintGem event, and I am so excited. We have the entire month of February to work on our paint gems and also get some prizes. So first of all, I want to thank sponsors for generously donating for this event. I could not have done this on my own. We have some really good giveaways. I mean, some really nice giveaways. And so I am just so excited to share our sponsors with you. I have purchased from all of these, so I can say that every one of our sponsors are incredible. I love all of their products. I will include a link underneath the description, so check them out and see if there's anything that you would like from them. What's going to happen weekly is that on Thursdays I'm going to have a video. It's going to be a short video where I'm going to be either showing you what I have completed for the prior week, or maybe unboxing a new diamond painting PaintGem kit, or just something else. But it's not going to be really long. It's not going to be a whip and chat or anything like that, but I'm going to give a special word, and you're going to include that special word in a sentence. And so then on Tuesdays of the following week, I am going to draw for the last week's winner, and it's going to be a random draw. As long as you have completed the form for the event, and I'll include that link underneath the description as well. It is also posted on my Facebook group, the Crafty Diamond. You only need to complete it once. I will make sure that you have completed it. You have also included a start photo. The start photo doesn't have to be the photo or the actual canvas that you complete, but it needs to be a paint gem. If it's not a paint gem, it does not count. I'm also going to go over the rules again. That's also posted underneath my Facebook group. You do not have to be a member of my Facebook group in order to participate. You can also post on Instagram, and the hashtag is going to be PaintGem 2024. I was going to do PaintGem DP 2024, but that's kind of long, so let's just go with PaintGem 2024. And that way I can find you. You can also tag me on Instagram if you would like. And then I'm going to have all of the giveaways will be on my YouTube channel just to make it easier. So first of all, the rules are very simple. You need to work on paint gems only, since this is obviously a paint gem event. Right now I am showing bakery here and summer. I have not opened either one of these. I am going to be working on butterfly. I already have my butterfly kitted up. And if you're not familiar with PaintGem but you want to join the event, they do ship very quickly, or that is my experience with them. You will receive everything that you need in your box to complete all of the actual canvases that are in the kit. Now, you're not required to complete all of the canvases. So if you look at butterflies, there's a lot in here. I may not complete this entire kit. I might pick another one from doors, or another one from the bakery edition, or summer, or whatever I decide to do. But I'm probably going to work on these because I've already got them all kitted up. I'm ready to go with this. But all you need is for the weekly prizes, is just to complete that form, have a start photo of a paint gem, and doesn't even have to have anything on it, just a start photo of something that you have not done yet. And then for weekly prizes, anybody's eligible. For the grand prize, I have 3 grand prize giveaways right now. It may change, maybe more by the end of the month, but I am assuming that we're going to have 3. Those have already been confirmed, and the grand prize winners will be 3 we're going to have 3 gift certificates from PaintGem. So that is going to be really exciting. I wish I could go ahead and get the PaintGem winner for myself, but of course I can't, and I wouldn't do that. But anyway, that is going to be the grand prize. In order to be eligible for the grand prize, you will need to complete 2 canvases of PaintGems. It can be anything. It can be 1 butterfly, can be one of whichever one that you want, can be more than 1, but has to be at least 2. And I will have a final posting, and that's where you will post your final 2 that you completed. And you will have to have that form completed as well. So that's really all that there is to it with the rules and restrictions. I want something really easy to start this year off right, just laid back, and thought PaintGem would be a wonderful way to do that. If you want to bling up your kit, your canvas, you are more than welcome to do so. I will probably do that for some of mine as well. One thing that I do ask is that if you want to work on one of the mystery paintings, you are more than welcome to do that, but just do not post it underneath the actual Facebook group and also on Instagram. If you're going to post something that is a mystery, make sure that you include 2 or 3 of the photos or something from Canva that just warns the person who might see this that it is the mystery, and so you don't want to spoil that for anybody. So on Facebook, if you will just refrain from doing that on my channel or my Facebook group, I'd really appreciate it. And then if I do any mysteries, I will let you know that I've done a mystery, but I will not show those even on my Facebook, on my channel or Facebook, because I don't want to spoil that for anybody. When I go to kit down any of my mysteries, then I'll kit it down, but I'm not going to show any of those just because I want to spoil that for everybody. So let me go over our sponsors, and I just want to once again thank them so much for agreeing to sponsor for this event. And I am so excited to have all these sponsors and to this event. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So they're not in any particular order. It's just how I have them written down. But we have Patsy Putty, and I love her putty. Holly has some of the best putty, and I started using Patsy Putty because I won a gift certificate on an event, and so now I am hooked in using her putty. Also, Enabler's Outpost is going to give us a gift certificate, and Enabler's Outpost has amazing pins as well as diamond paintings. I have purchased from Enabler's for quite a while, and so I have several of their pins, and I love both their pins, and I love their canvases as well. Another one is Creations by LEP, and that's mainly for me. What I have used from this company are trays, and I love the diamond painting trays. I actually have one that I've been using, have one that I used on my last whip and chat, have several colors. And then we do have Sparkle Addiction Art is offering a gift certificate to us. This is, the owner is Angie, my good buddy Angie, and she is a new shop owner. So excited for her to sponsor for us as well. And then PaintGem for the grand prize winners. So if you have any questions anytime, reach out. There seems to be a lot of us that are going to be in this event, which I'm really excited for. I thought it would just be me and maybe just a handful of others, but it looks like it's going to be a great event. If I don't answer your question immediately on Facebook, if you just put something in the group, because I don't know if I can answer everybody's timely, feel free to send me a message, private message on Facebook, Instagram, or you can also email me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I think that you would really like it here, and I am doing all kinds of things for this year, or that's the plan anyway. So I would love to have you. And if you would, before you head out, if you would click on that like button, that really does help out a lot in order to get my videos out there to others. For next week, our secret word is going to be paint, P-A-I-N-T, and it should be exactly in a sentence using the word paint. It should be lowercase. I will use that with the randomizer and see who is going to win next week's giveaway. And that is going to be a gift certificate from Patsy Putty. So we're going to start out with sending some putty out, and I will talk more about that next week whenever I am able to draw for that winner. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting.